Meaning of impractical.
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 Impractical. The word impractical means something that is not suitable or effective in a particular situation. It refers to ideas, actions, or plans that are not realistic or feasible. When something is impractical, it is difficult or impossible to put into practice and may not yield the desired results. For example, a plan to build a floating city might be considered impractical because of the challenges and high costs involved. In short, impracticality refers to the lack of practicality or feasibility in an idea, action, or plan, making it difficult or impossible to achieve the desired outcome.